Maningdana mar leire mamangdana cookie leire ko adu haibdi sure jase adu akhoi angang isa singse school ka da kamaina ka ga doino Kainai tha ni chuna lami chami na na khoi di alap khai ton sin china sin adai di phulak le ra ki mai don sin china sin pun ma cha tha do ga phana asi gum le ba ka han na na ni ju pai ata ma ti ge ha pu ha ni wa su ma mi na sa he le mi na a ba chami na tom na lai ba che asi tha do le chan de khatang no ai ta ma da han do na ba wa khan di nung di nung ai ra ga do su mayam aina bagi mai cha sina lo nga ba di khatang wa li adu di chin na ba di ko khoi na chala ma tong da theng na do ni ba lan tham che karam ba lan tham no awa ba theng no doi ra nung ai ba theng no doi ra mang da na ku ki kana mar lai re ning da na ku ki lai re karam ba ma taw bu nung dang ji ga taw bi ra ka da ha ba bi awa ba su mayam ma lai re ku si ga adu khoi na isa na cha ga na di si da khoi ha ja bi ha ba ma tam da ma su ha ra ma da bi re security kano timama thajal le akhoi CRP aduga kano gi hunda su CRP jangkhai mu lai re commando kun tara kun mu lai re aduga gi police su lai re chatpa da di karim akai ba lai ro hajana adugi ajaba ma laujara da khoi chasaban
Today, as per desire of our Honorable Chief Minister and commitment to bring the peace and communal harmony, we are taking initiative under the leadership of our Senior Superintendent of Police Jirbam, because he is the leading all the security forces team also. We had a meeting with all the security forces, and after due assessment regarding safety and security of people, those who are going to be shifted to Mondung village in our district, today they are being shifted with the help of all the security forces. Our effort and commitment to bring the peace, it will continue for long until unless we'll be able to send back all the person in their respective house. We are having a peace committee meeting at different levels, and also security deployment is being done at different places. We are urging to all the peoples, those who were residing and are residing and will be residing in Jirbam, that we are having concern about our Jirbam district only. So no one from outside will be invited to come and create any kind of issue in the Jirbam district, because this is solely only about our district, how we are going to maintain peace. This will be very helpful for the in long term also. For the same, they are also being keeping in the loop, and our Senior Superintendent of Police is having regular meeting with them also. It would be more than the request to, it would be appeal to each and everyone. We have to keep remember one thing, development can be ensured in any place with the if we say with the joining hand together on. We have to also remember from last more than 1 year Jirbam was very peaceful, only just because of some confusion, some problem was created. So this should be stopped, and we have to come together and we have to stay together. Only then we can ensure there is a peaceful coexistence, will bring the also development in our district.
खनबसे हराउबदी फावे अदुगु मतम कोइना सिदा लैरगा खोइजे सिक्युरिटी ना ngapi senbigani na budi pusenbiri dana ko ado singnabadi फावे akibsu lai ado kayam koina security na ngapi senbi doino habdudi akoi su khangde aduga irang sisu ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯐꯕꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯔꯕꯨꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯔꯦꯗ ꯖꯣꯟ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯦꯀꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯅꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯅꯤꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯟꯕꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯀꯣ ꯆꯪꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯤꯔꯤꯛ ꯀꯦꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯪ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯪꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯆꯪꯉꯒꯨꯝꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯆꯪꯒꯗꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯅꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯒ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐ ꯀꯦꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯊꯛꯄ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯋꯥꯠ ꯑꯄꯥ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯊꯝꯃꯤ ꯂꯩꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯀꯥꯊꯣꯛ ꯀꯥꯁꯤꯟꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛꯅꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡ ꯆꯥꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯡꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯅ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯔꯦ ꯖꯥꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯀꯥꯕꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯥꯒꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯆꯪꯒꯗꯧꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯆꯠꯂꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯆꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯇꯝꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯀꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯗꯦ
ngasi Chingdong Lekai upper primary Chingdong Lekai ki relief camp asi ngasi Yaipar pungpham asida koi relief camp gi inmate sing mayum da thungkre yauгре ngasi close section jare koi gi relief camp asi haiba relief camp asi June gi tarik taruk tagi koi na run tawjarak pasi ngasi August ki tarik taruk asi tha ni chupna Chingdong Lekai ki Maira Club, Maira Paibi amadi organization Chingdong Lekai ki lejariba organization punamak ki mihut oina ekoina committee ma semjaraga hariba committee asina relief camp asi run tawjarakpani koi punamak sacrifice tawraga run tawjarakpani hariba relief camp asida thoido hindokna yamna achauba mating pibirakiba thaudang lobikriba koi gi ikai khumnajaraba koi gi DC sahib amadi SP sahib loina na maru oiba thaudang lori JMC gi staff sing duga PAC maru oina PAC gi thangna chana ba ising watana ba supply tawbirakpa dagi hariba program sing asi kana taw matamda media gi achauba thaudang lobi khiba media person sing loina na hanagi primary adaksa obiramba gi kai kunajarabi che janaki nasu hariba relief camp asi haudobu matamda achauba thaudang lobi duna popang pibi duna daita lobi ki loina na gulamjat shelter home gi tabu oibiriba case lesang yamna chauba thaudang lobi duna magi ising thamnana ba mai gi kari gi awarapa pumnamak mahangna mateng pangbiduna hariba relief camp asi run tawbada chauba mateng oiki loina na manipur amadi manipur gi mapandagi organization kaya lanai mioi kaya na ba koi medical department ki achauba tengbang pibi duna maruina hariba koi gi relief camp asi run tawba ngamjakibani loina na local Maira Paibi club ki members sing loina aduga iroiboina ekoina education department ki JDO amadi school ani gi per primary amadi aided school primary ani asi ki school gi headmaster headmistress sing na yamna chau mateng pibi duna hariba relief camp asi mapung phana run tawba pangambagi damakta hena mayam gi mateng pangbirapai damakta ayangna committee gi maikai dagi hanna khudingmakpu agatchaba phongdokchari